Hello friends, welcome in the video. Today in this video we are going to learn 20 new shortcut keys for advanced Excel. If you are learning these keys, then you will be mastering in Excel and you will be working like a professional, and your speed in working with Excel will be very fast. Okay, so let's understand one by one what are the keys we are going to learn. So key number one is first page up. Page up key, if you are pressing, then you will be scrolled up one screen. One screen means, I will tell you, for example this is a screen, right? I am coming to down, I am on the row number 61. I am highlighting for the purpose of understanding. Then row number 129, then row number 87, randomly I am highlighting. So now page up, if my cursor is here, pressing page up in the keyboard will take me one screen up. Now you can see I am on row number 1110. Again page up, row number 86. Again page up 62, and again page up. In this way one screen at a time will be scrolled up. In the same way, if we press page down key, then one screen down will be scrolled down. You can see it is automatically moving. This is useful for moving fast in your worksheet from top to bottom or bottom to top. Got it? Next key we have page down, already understood. Next key we have Alt tab. Right, Alt tab is used to shift between multiple open workbooks. For example, right now I have opened only one workbook, that is workbook number 1. I am pressing Ctrl plus N for new workbook, and I am pressing Alt tab. So you can see, so we can move to multiple open workbooks together. In the same way, if you arrange all the open workbook together by going to the view tab and click on arrange all in a vertical, then 3 workbooks are open right now, and if you want to shift, then just press Alt plus tab and you will be moving to separate workbook, right? Now press Ctrl W if you want to close the workbook which is not required. Press Ctrl W, it will be closed, and now it is the main workbook on which we are going to work. Alt tab understood. Next key we have Ctrl plus 1. It is used to open the format cell dialog, right? Suppose you want to format something and you have highlighted this cell, you want to make some formatting, then press Ctrl plus 1. This is the format cell dialog box where we have different types of formatting features which you can apply on the selected part of cells, right? So Ctrl Z to undo any action. Next we have Ctrl plus Shift plus $sign, right? If you want to apply currency format on the numeric value, then press Ctrl Shift $sign. For example, these are the values. By pressing Ctrl Shift $sign, automatically all the values convert into currency format. In the same way, next we have Ctrl plus Shift plus %sign. If you want to provide in percent format, then press Ctrl Shift %sign. Automatically all the numeric value will be in percent format. This will not do any effect on text data because these are the shortcut keys used for the numeric values only. Okay. Now next shortcut key we have Ctrl plus Shift plus # used to apply date format. If you want to convert all these values into date format, then press Ctrl Shift #. Automatically it will take everything into date format, right? Based on the given data it will take it. Now next we have Ctrl plus Shift plus exponential. Ctrl plus Shift plus exponent symbol. It will convert your data into exponent format. Just select the data numeric value and press Ctrl Shift exponent. Automatically it will be converted into exponential format. Next we have here shortcut key number 9, Ctrl plus Shift plus AND. It is used to apply a border around the selected cell. Ctrl Shift and if we have selected all these 3 columns, and by pressing Ctrl Shift and symbol, you can see border has been applied, right? Once again, Ctrl Shift and will apply the border on the selected cell, around selected cell. Next we have shortcut key number 10, Ctrl plus Shift plus underscore, and if you want to remove the border, press the same Ctrl Shift underscore will remove the border around the cells. Next we have shortcut key number 11, Shift plus arrow keys. Right, Shift plus arrow key are used for selecting the range of cells. For example, if you press Shift and right arrow, it will select right hand side cells. The same thing, press again Shift down, it will select down side. If your cursor is here on Delhi, by pressing Shift down key, it will select downside cells, and if you want to go left hand side, so you can select. So by pressing Shift plus arrow keys, it will select the cells or range of cells altogether. So it is very good key. Next we have keys, shortcut key number 12, Ctrl plus space is used to select entire column. For example, if you want to select this entire column altogether, press Ctrl space bar, it will select entire column, and you can perform any kind of formatting on that column, for example changing the color of that column, right? And again, if you want to put border, then press Ctrl Shift and symbol, border will be applied there. Next we have Shift plus space to select entire row. If you want to select entire row for any purpose, then press Shift space bar, entire row, only one row will be selected. Next we have shortcut key number 14, Ctrl plus Shift plus space bar will select entire worksheet. And if you want to select entire worksheet, Ctrl Shift space bar will select entire worksheet. And if you are within the range of data, then by pressing Ctrl Shift space bar, it will select entire data, not entire worksheet but entire data wherever the values are given. But if Excel is not finding any value around the selected cell, it will select entire sheet. The same you can do with the help of Ctrl A also, entire sheet will be selected, but Ctrl A will work in the same way as working Ctrl Shift space bar, right? Next we have shortcut key number 15, by pressing F2 we can edit any active cell. If you want to make some changes into any cell, press F2, the cursor will appear there and you can edit the cell value, right? In the same way, numeric value and text value also you can change. Next we have shortcut key is Ctrl D, very important shortcut key, Ctrl D, to copy the content from the cell above to the current cell, right? For example, if I am writing here Anil and I want to copy the same value to downside, press Ctrl D, it will be copied. And if you want to copy the same value to multiple cells, then select the cell and press Ctrl D, automatically the value will be copied. Ctrl D, right? Select the value and press Ctrl D, it will be copied to the rest cell also. The Ctrl D is very useful shortcut key. Next we have Ctrl plus R, it is used to copy the content from the cell to the right hand side. Means the value which is given at the left hand side, if you want to copy right hand side, press Ctrl R. You can see Ctrl R is copying the value of left hand side to right hand side automatically. I'm not pressing Ctrl C or V, I'm just pressing Ctrl plus R. In the same way, we can copy all together at once. Next shortcut key we have delete. So very simple, if you want to clear any content of the cell, just select the cell and press del button, all the contents will be cleared. And the next key we have Alt Enter to insert a line break within cell. If you want to insert a line break, suppose you are writing a complete paragraph and you want to insert a line break within the same cell, then you can use Alt plus Enter. Alt plus Enter, right? It will insert new line. Next we have F4 to repeat the last action done. Means if you have done any last formatting. For example, see what I'm doing here. I'm just selecting this column and changing the color of all the font in the column, and then in the next column I am making it underline. Now what if I'm selecting it next and pressing F4, then it will repeat the last action done, right? So automatically by pressing F4 it is copying the last action, which was Ctrl U, means underline. Got it? These are the shortcut keys. If you are practicing it on a regular basis, surely you will be mastering in Excel and you will be working like a professional. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you have any doubt, you may contact or you may comment. Thank you once again.